Hello, we are going to see today dispersion of white light through prism, and in this topic also we will see dispersive power. Power of prism, right? See, this is topic. In this topic, prism we are knowing it is refracting medium, this prism is made up of glass. We are knowing we have five surfaces, three rectangular and two triangular surfaces, and we are going to see phenomena of dispersion. Dispersion is a phenomena process of white light. We are knowing that white light is mixed with 7 colors. This 7 color is from violet to red. In this 7 color, violet to red, and its wavelength we are knowing of that 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. So it has a 7 color from violet to red, and it is a wavelength range is this given. Now see, refractive index according to Snell's law. Refractive index is equal to sine of angle of incidence by sine of angle of refraction is equal to, from first medium to second medium is speed of light in first medium to speed of light in second medium. See the refractive index formula, Snell's law. One thing, different color of light has different velocity. If different color of light has different velocity, if this is a fact, then it is clear that refractive index n is different for different color. See very carefully, because different color has different velocity. So in a medium, due to that, the angle of refraction, see the Snell law, angle of refraction R is different. Due to this reason, when white light passes through a prism, get separated their color. This phenomena is known as dispersion of light. First of all, see in the diagram, then we can see this. See here a diagram. Let A, B, C represents a prism. Through this prism, a ray of light passing through the narrow slit allowed to fall here on the prism. Where it's fall, see the normal. Since this white light has 7 different color and all color have same velocity in medium air, but when it travel in a glass, for all 7 color, different color, 7 colors has a different velocity. So in that condition, this ray of light refracted in different direction from violet to red. See in the diagram, this is angle of refraction for violet color and this is for red color. It is only both get separated, all 7 colors, 5 colors lies in between, and then from here once more the emergent ray have their colors violet to red. We are knowing Vibgyor. All 7 colors lies in between. This phenomena of, seen this, splitting of light, splitting of light into its constituent color according to here in the diagram is known as phenomena of dispersion. So these two are emergent ray and here these two ray are refracted ray and this is called incident ray. See carefully the incident ray. We are, if prism is not here, this incident ray moves in a straight line in this direction. So we are proceeding the incident ray with a dotted line here, and emergent ray, when we proceed backward, see this is a violet. It is known as angle of deviation for violet color and this is called angle of deviation for red color. So in this we see that the maximum deviation for violet color is a max and for red it is a minimum, and all constituent color lies in between. One more important thing, when we proceed backward here, then it seems to meet at a common point too. So the emergent ray ends emergent ray, violet and red, seems to come from point O. The source seems to come from here. This is known as angular dispersion between violet color theta and red color theta. Angular dispersion. The angular dispersion theta depends on angle of deviation for ends color. Then because this is due to both ends. So in that condition, angular dispersion between ends color is denoted by theta, and it is given delta V minus delta R. It is a maximum, so it can be represented by equation number 1. Since we know that angle of deviation for violet color will be refractive index for violet color minus 1 into angle of prism A by equation 2, and red NB minus NR minus 1 angle of prism. Putting the value of angle of deviation for violet and red color in equation number 1, angular dispersion theta is here NV minus 1 in 2A total minus NR minus 1 in smaller bracket into angle of prism, and it can be by solving can be given as NB minus NR in 2A. Angular dispersion between ends color here represented by equation number 4. Now this is time to see the dispersive power of medium prism. Dispersive power of prism is denoted by omega. This omega is a ratio of two things. The first one is angular dispersion by end color divided by angle of deviation by mean color. The mean color means what? See, there are 7 color in white light, so yellow color is known as a mean. Then dispersive power, which is represented by omega, angular dispersion of end color is a theta by angle of deviation measured by yellow light. Since in equation 4 angular dispersion of end color we have obtained NV minus NR into angle of dispersion, and angle of deviation for mean color yellow delta y is equal to NY minus 1 by A. Putting this both value, this we can represent by equation 5. This is equation 4 and this can be written as a 6. Putting the value of all these equation, all these value in equation number 5, one may obtain angular dispersion omega is equal to NV minus NR in 2A by NY minus 1 into A. Angle of prism cancels, it equal to NV minus NR by NY minus 1. This is represented by equation 7. Now see one more important in a hydrogen spectrum. Our human eye is more sensitive to two lines, F line, which have a wavelength 486.1 nanometer, and in color it is known as sky green. And second is a C line. C line has a color red. These two color is more sensitive to human eye, and mean color is known in hydrogen spectrum is by this known as a D line, which wavelength is 589.3 nanometer. This wavelength is also in nanometer for mean color. In that condition, the angular dispersion omega is written by the formula here. Refractive index for F line minus refractive index for C line in a hydrogen spectrum by refractive index of D line, mean line, minus 1. It also represented by equation number 8. Angular dispersion into this is both angular dispersion and angle. Both are angle, so it is a pure ratio. See? So it has no unit. It has no unit and dimensionless quantity. So this is for the topic. Thank you and have a nice day.